Hey guys, what's up? Sam Stewart from Junk Car Conversions, and welcome back to another vlog. So today I just actually got my rims in, and we were gonna go get them mounted and balanced with these tires here, but I bought the wrong size, so I'm just gonna be selling those on Facebook or Kijiji, and I'm gonna go look for another set today. And I actually have a friend who's gonna do all the work for me, get them ready for me, and then we'll test them on later. Okay, so I just got the tires loaded up here, or the rims I mean, and I'm not gonna show you just what they are yet, but they're 15 by 8s. We're gonna get the rims in here, and me and Adri and the dog are we're going on a little car ride today. Isn't that right, mister? Okay, so we just got to the shop now. I'm unloading all of our tires here, rims. I got new tires. The tire size is 215, 60, 15, and we're gonna throw them on these bad boys. So I'll give you a look at what they look like when they're finished. Quick look at just the size difference here, how much wider this 15 by 8 is than the standard.
Supposed to be like 10 times faster, but the new hydraulic tank is in the box. You just have to
okay.
So this thing should be like zoom, zoom, zoom. And then all
Okay, that's good.
Alright, so first things first, you're going to mount the rim on the tire machine here. You're going to make sure that if your tire has an inside-outside or it's directional, make sure it's going the right way. You're going to put the tire on top, making sure it's firmly on the rim there. Give it a spin here. Make sure the arm falls into place. Make sure it's not hitting the rim at all. Mine's already preset, so it's not going to hit the rim. Once you have it, you're going to have it hooked on the lever arm here. So when you give it a spin, it's going to catch, and then it's going to start to put the tire on the rim. So start with the inside first. It's going to flip up, just like that, and then you're going to start with the inside lip. Inside lip, of the tire. And now you're gonna put the tire onto the rim fully. So making sure it's perfectly propped up. These arms help so I don't have to put my own weight on the tire. I let the machine just do the work here. Just gonna guide it all the way down. Make sure everything stays tight. Make sure you check the lip, make sure it's scratch free. Time to fill it with air. So, Sam's got a pretty wet fitment on these rims, meaning that we can't just fill it up with air or else it just leaks out the sides, so we're gonna have to bead blast it. So for the bead blaster, you're gonna fill it up. Fill it up until you don't hear the noise, or for about 10 seconds should be enough.
Oh, fuck, this is actually cool.
Alright, once the bead blaster's full, you're going to put the hose back into the tire here. Make sure there's running air through the rim, so that way when you bead blast it, the tire catches and it seals perfectly. So the go, line it up, here, now it's fully sealed.
There we go.
We use 3M stickies, we're not going to use clip-ons.
Okay.
So it hides the weights as well.
Yeah,
lot cleaner
just behind them?
Yep.
Yeah.
So, a bunch of different settings too. We'll use Movement 2. So, we're going to measure your wheel.
This is by far going to be the coolest video I think I put out in a long time.
First thing we're going to do is we're going to measure it. Alright, 15-inch, right? And how wide are your rims?
8 inch.
8-inch. 8.5. So I'll measure 8.5. Okay, so we're gonna see how the tire looks. So visually, you can look at it physically. The rims are brand new, so they're almost perfect.
Yeah.
But then all rims and tires are made differently, so we're gonna see how much you're out. So 0.75 ounces on the inside, 1.75 ounces on the outside. So it's time to apply some weights. So the top where it reads is at the very top. So once the arrow goes green, that's where you're gonna have your weights. So right here. So what you're gonna do is grab 0.75 worth of weights here. Make sure the surface is clean as well. So it's gonna be right at the top. What I like to do is reverse it so you can see exactly where you're gonna put it. I'm just gonna put it right on the inside. So that's gonna be 0.75 ounces right there. Now we're gonna do the outside of the rim. So this one here, there, 1.75. So balancing your wheels will reduce shaking and everything. So we're gonna go right over there, nice and flush. wash. Sure, it'll stick. If it's a clean surface, it's 3M stuff, it sticks pretty well, it doesn't really come off.
Yeah.
Just keep away from like the pressure washers and stuff, but it's still pretty good. So give it a spin, see how it equals out here, balances out. We were looking for zeros, so.
Okay.
Alright, so we're just 0.5 on the other side. Alright, so it wants 0.5 on that side next to this here. So normally you can take off that side because it's counteracting, but I'm just going to add so it just equals it out.
Yeah.
So, there. There you go, zeroed out. So you got a balanced tire.
Oh. All right, we'll do 4 more and then 3 more and that'll be it. Okay, so I just got home now. Unloaded all of the wheels. So these center caps or hubcaps are actually not what I'm gonna be running. I was sent the wrong ones. I'll have new ones. I'll show you guys those whenever those come in. Gonna be emailing the company, but this is what they look like. I'll give you a sneak peek just with a picture on how they look, and then yeah. So I hope you guys liked the video today. It's something that I've never done before. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again.